Canada is home to a wide variety of beautiful bird species. Here are 20 stunning Canadian birds known for their striking appearances. Bald eagle, Haliaeetus leucocephalus. Pileated woodpecker, Dryocopus pileatus. Atlantic puffin, Fraticula arctica. Snowy owl, Bubos scandiacus. Common loon, Gavia imma. American goldfinch, Spinus tristis. Northern cardinal, Cardinalis cardinalis. Canada goose, Branta canadensis. Ruby-throated hummingbird, Archilochus colubris. Barrow's goldeneye, Bucephala islandica. Baltimore oriole, Icterus galbula. Belted kingfisher, Megaceral alcyon. Indigo bunting, Passerina cyanea. Anna's hummingbird, Calypt anna. Harlequin duck, Histrionicus histrionicus. Rose-breasted grosbeak, Futicus ludovicinus. American robin, Turdus migratorius. Bohemian waxwing, Bombacilla garrulus. Red-headed woodpecker, Melanerpes erythrocephalus. Black-capped chickadee, Persile atricapillus. These birds exhibit a diverse range of colors, patterns, and plumage, making them visually appealing and captivating to observe in the Canadian wilderness.